The Sibusiso Bengu Development Programme, we started it around 2013, but at that time we had named it as the Historically Disadvantaged Institutions Development Grant. We have decided now to rename it under Professor Sibusiso Bengu because he's a person who symbolizes a lot of what we are trying to achieve. He was the first Minister of Education in a democratic South Africa, so he led the way. But the primary aim of this project is really to uplift the standard of teaching, learning, research, development, community engagement in our historically disadvantaged institutions. For instance, we want to focus on infrastructure for these institutions in terms of student accommodation, science laboratories, modern lecture halls and all that. We also want to raise the standard of education of academic staff. We want more PhDs as lecturers because that raises the standard. We also want to support them within the context of our national system of research and innovation so that they can also be generators of knowledge rather than just recipients of knowledge. They can be able to come with new sources of knowledge that can benefit not just the country, but also globally. So they need extra assistance because they normally take students who are at far more disadvantage than the other universities. We want them to have their own specialization, just like the other universities have. What we would like, amongst other things, to expand access to university education in rural areas. And then as government, constrained as we are with resources, we've set aside hundreds of millions of rand to actually then support these universities to actually reach their own goals and have their own character, have their own personalities.